Imagine strapped to your wrist a piece of rugged engineering that doesn't just track your metrics, but completely rewrites how you survive, navigate, and optimize your life. For the last few years, wearable technology felt like it hit a massive wall. We saw the same chunky titanium chassis, the exact same screen sizes, and minor battery bumps that barely changed the daily experience. The tech industry got comfortable, and users got bored. But right now, Apple is orchestrating the single biggest architectural shift in the history of wearables. What is coming next isn't just a minor iteration. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 represents a complete foundational redesign, a line in the sand that changes what a premium smartwatch is supposed to be. If you are planning on buying any smartwatch, fitness tracker, or high-end sports computer this year, you need to freeze exactly where you are. What has leaked out of the supply chain reveals that Apple is fundamentally changing the physical form factor and the biometric capability of this line, rendering every previous generation obsolete overnight. Think about it. The number one complaint about the Ultra line since its inception in 2022 has always been the sheer bulk. It was a beautiful tank, but it felt like a potato on the wrist for everyday wear and absolute torture for overnight sleep tracking. Apple has quietly engineered a structural breakthrough. The Ultra 4 is dropping the unnecessary thickness, shifting to a significantly slimmer, lighter titanium architecture without losing a single ounce of its rugged, military-grade durability. They re-engineered the internal layout to compress the components, creating a flush, high-performance profile that contours perfectly to the wrist. This means you get the legendary flat sapphire crystal, the iconic international orange action button, and the protected digital crown, but in a chassis that actually feels natural to wear all day, every day. But a thinner body means nothing if the technology inside doesn't take a massive leap forward. On the reverse side of this newly sculpted titanium frame lies the real revolution. Apple has completely discarded the old sensor cluster and replaced it with a state-of-the-art 8-sensor ring array. This isn't just about reading your heart rate slightly faster. This new hardware configuration unlocks the holy grail of consumer health tracking: long-term blood pressure trend monitoring. By tracking arterial pressure waves directly from the wrist without an inflating cuff, this device acts as an early warning system for cardiovascular health. The advanced computational array filters out motion artifacts, delivering an unprecedented level of clinical-grade accuracy that will fundamentally change how you track your long-term well-being. Powering this entire sensory powerhouse is the brand-new S12 silicon chip, built on a highly advanced, ultra-efficient node architecture. This processor isn't just about making animations look smoother. It introduces dedicated hardware cores specifically tuned for on-device Apple Intelligence. For years, voice assistants on smartwatches felt stuck in the past, lagging and requiring a constant connection to your phone. The S12 chip allows complex machine learning models to execute locally right on your wrist. Your watch can instantly summarize overwhelming stacks of notifications, translate live conversations seamlessly without an internet connection, and dynamically adjust your interface based on your exact environment and daily habits. This processing efficiency brings us to the ultimate battleground of smartwatches: battery longevity. When you make a device thinner and add an 8-sensor tracking array,